Hi, I'm Mike with Craft Supplies USA, and today we're going to turn a magic wand that glows in the dark. Turning a magic wand is a lot of fun because it's an easy project for beginners and they grab a lot of attention. For this project, you're going to need a 1.5 by 1.5 by 12 piece of ash or any open grain timber. You'll also need a few standard turning tools and supplies, a torch, a steel bristle brush, some scratch-free wax, and glow powder. Start by mounting the blank between centers, then set the lathe speed to about 2500 RPM. Rough turn the blank to round using a spindle roughing gouge. Now use a spindle gouge to turn the wand to your desired shape, leaving about a 1/4 inch of waste material on the ends. There are no rules for turning a wand, so have fun with the shapes and be creative. Once you're happy with the shape, sand it through 320 grit. Use a small handsaw and cut away the waste material on the ends. Then sand the ends as well. Now for torching. You'll want to go outside for this and hold the flame nice and close to the wand to evenly blacken the surface. This will give us a blackened surface and will break down the soft areas in the ash. Once it's blackened, use a steel bristle brush and thoroughly brush the wand surface. Be aggressive here because you want to clear out all the soft grain. Now just clean out the pores with a rag or an air compressor. To make the wand glow, I'm going to mix some glow powder and scratch-free paste wax. Make sure to mix plenty of wax and glow powder so it'll fill in the open surfaces. Liberally coat the mixed wax onto the entire surface, making sure to pack in any open grain. Then wipe away any excess with a clean rag. Our wand is complete, so let's hit the lights and watch it glow. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any supplies or glow powder, click the link next to me.